Did you know that all the best athletes in the world have chiropractors? And this includes the MLB, the NFL, the NBA, even up into those Olympic athletes that we have going on right now. And so why do they all have chiropractors, and why shouldn't you have your own doc? Well, they all help to allow for the body's function to be restored. And what that means is that they help with the recovery process, they help with flexibility, to help with strengthening the body and allowing it to perform the way that they need to at those optimal and top tier levels. And so we focused in on restoring the body's ability to adapt, the ability for it to recover, and to allow the brain and body's connection to be restored by taking out the interference at the first bone here in the neck, allowing then the communication from the brain to properly get to the body so that they can function and maintain at those optimal levels. And this actually includes for video games too. So if you're playing video games and you're a professional gamer, then we can restore the proper alignment here to increase communication from your brain to your hands so that those signals that you're getting in from your eyes go directly to your hands and you can make the plays that you need to make to win those games and to get more W's. I'm Kyle Murray here at Atlas Brain and Spine. Have a great rest of your day.